Okay, on to case number 2. Oh, I'm still shaking, guys. I just can't believe I pulled a super. My first super. I'm sorry. I know I'm probably annoying somebody who has like 200 supers in their closet somewhere, but you know, this is new to me. All right, let's see if we get lucky this time. Here we go. Okay, another Honda Super Cub, another Koenigsegg, another Dune Cruiser. Or Crusher, sorry. And of course, another Batmobile. Go figure, right? And another Porsche 911. That's cool. I do love these cars. These are pretty neat looking. I like them, you know, real sized better, but still, Tune ones are pretty cool. Another Audi, another Alpha, and another Barracuda. I do like these castings. Like, you know, I don't know if I've told you folks, but I got into Hot Wheels collecting because I'm into model railroading and I'm into slot car racing, and I'm building a new hybrid slot car track model railroad layout thing, and I wanted actual race cars to fill in the infill, so it got me started in this. That's why I like real cars so well. Okay, back to it. 2 more Mustangs, another custom auto. Trying to be just a little bit neater this time. Shark Bite, brick and motor, and a Papa Wheelie. Another Firebird, another Audi, another Max Steel. Another 55 Chevy, another heavy hitcher, another Ford GT40. And I'm seeing a theme here. These cars look to be identical to the ones I pulled out of the last case in the same order almost. That's kind of weird, since they're supposed to be very random. Okay, a limited grip, a Dodge Charger, and a Lincoln Continental. The Seazinger, a Punk Rod, and another Enterprise. Oh. Well, there won't be a super in this one, but boom! We got the treasure hunt. Heck yes! 47 Fleet Line. Is that not a cool looking casting? Oh, dude. Love it. Love it. You're going to go to the side. Sorry. You're by yourself. Be all alone. All right, let's continue on. Another clip rod, another Surf's Up, and another Toyota van. And last for this layer, we have another blue Barbie Corvette, another Koenigsegg, and a Rescue Duty. Okay, on to the next layer. Oop. Hey, guess what? Another Batmobile. Mad Mike Drift Attack, and a Land Rover. Can never have enough Batmobiles in my life, I'll tell you that. Okay, another Greenwood Corvette. You're going to the side. I love Corvettes. McLaren, and a power panel. Oh. Now it's not. Boom! No, it's not another super. But it is the Ford Escort, the main line. Awesome. I'm glad I've got one of these. Hopefully I find another one. I know I like supers, but I want to open one up. And I'll never open one unless I have at least 2. But that's cool. You're going to the side. 2 more of these other cars that I have, the Alfa Romeo and the Volvo. I know it made no sense. 2 cars I either have. Yeah. Hey, I get tongue-tied and twisted sometimes myself. I'm not perfect. I'm sorry. Sorry. Just give me a second. I'm trying to get organized over here. All right, continuing on. Another drift wagon. Man, these things are just so cool. I wish I had had the super of that one, but cool nonetheless. Another custom auto, another Monster High. Another Cloud Cutter, another Dune Crusher, and another Monster High. If it isn't for the Batmobiles, it's going to be the Monster Highs, I think, this time around. Okay, what do we got? Oh, pulling too many. Another Barbie Corvette, another Continental, and a Tesla Model Y. I guess that's kind of cool. I did not buy any Teslas just because I like gas. Sorry, guys. Not like personal gas, but you know what I mean. I'm a motorhead. Come on. Okay, Rescue Duty, 1500 Ram, and that Runaway Rescue. Again, that's pretty sweet. I never saw one of those till today. I never saw one of those. All right. The Volvo, the Mod Speeder, and Hot Wheels High. Hey, guess what? It's a Batman. It's a Batmobile. Punk rod, power panel. Alright. Another Mad Mike Drift Attack, a McLaren, and a water bomber. This will be my first Hot Wheels plane. I never bought one, and you know what? I probably never will, but it's still kind of cool. Oh, almost dropped it. Okay, getting down to the last few of this case. Another limited grip, another Mighty K, and another Volvo Drift Wagon. What do we got left here? Last three. Okay. Pontiac Firebird, 55 Nomad, and another Fiat 500.